Okay, so now as we're done, I'm gonna be explaining it. So firstly, look at it. It's algebra. Algebra is not a new term. It's an old one. You've been using it all your life, but you don't understand it. Okay, so let's start with 3x minus 5 is equal to 22. This is our first algebraic expression. I mean, yep, I know, new experience. Okay, so we're gonna be using purple because you know purple. Hyperbole, so 3 minus x minus 5 is equal to 22. It seems hard, but it's not. But before solving it, there are some concepts which you should be knowing. For example, if minus is like on another side, on like the left hand side of your equation, then when it will come on the right side, then it will convert to the opposite thing. For example, plus. If you have a plus on the left hand, then we are going to be having a minus on the right hand. We're going to be converted. When it moves there, then it's going to be a minus, okay? Basically like that. And just like that, we are having multiplication. Multiplication is converted to division over there, and division is converted to multiplication over there. Simple, okay? Now I hope you understand it, so that's why I smiley. Now let's try to solve. So 3x minus 5 is equal to 22. Is it hard? No, it's not. Okay, so let's start. First of all, 3x is equal to 22 plus 5, which is equal to 27. Now how in the world did I get it? So I got it by, look over here. What's over here? There's a minus, okay? 3x minus 5. Now I cannot subtract, as you can learn that I cannot subtract it with an algebraic alphabet. Yeah. So now it means that I'm gonna be converting it to the second side so that it could react with the other one. Okay, so that's why when it went to the other side, it became a plus, and then 22 plus 5 is equal to 27. Yay, we got the answer. 3x is equal to 27. Oh no, you're wrong. We didn't. We have to find the value of x. I'm kind of bored with purple now, so let's use this color instead. What is x? How do we find x? We find x by 27 divided by 3, which is equal to 9. But how? Why didn't we multiply it? Let me tell you. So over here, 3x, how did it come to its formation? Let's check. Okay, let me just go down. Okay, so 3x is equal to, how did it come to life? 3. When 3 gets multiplied by x, then we get 3x. Understood? I hope so. Okay. Now, as you understood it, so it means that it is being multiplied here. So when it goes to the second side, it's going to be divided. And then we got that to 9. It's the correct answer. Let me give a smiley on you to that. Very nice, keep it up. X is equal to 9. Answer, very nice, keep it up. But how do we get it? 3x is equal to 27. It's the same thing. X is being multiplied, and on the other side it's going to be divided. I drew the signs again so that you can know that you know everything. Boring. Now actually algebra is a really fun chapter. Okay, so 27 divided by 3, you know, right? It's 9. What about we do it without x? Okay, without x it's like a linear equation. Okay, but I'm just gonna be cutting it all up for you guys so that you don't get confused. Okay, you just remember the basic concept which we learned at the start. What was the concept which we learned at the start? It's algebra. Okay, we learned algebra today. Let me go to the end. Let's write what you learned. You learned algebra and the alphabets, you know, the alphabets of algebra. For example, X is my favorite. It's so satisfying to write. Am I right? We don't? But what is the reason that we use this in algebra instead of X? It's very simple. in maths, in English it's x, but in math it resembles to the multiplication sign. Look at it. So same, right? So to prevail in confusions so that you guys don't get confused in it, so that's why